also sit along with us to eat so we can go to the tenement quickly.
Yes, you go and have food.
Alright.
Who gave you the sticks? It's so nice.
Elder mother gave me.
Is he ready?
No, she is not coming.
What do you mean? Who told you that?
She said itself that she is not coming. She is carrying a small baby, right? And the kids need to sleep on time. If elder mother doesn't sleep on time, that even the baby won't sleep. So she will have to sleep on time.
I'm sure that aunt is angry over something.
Mom, now you come fast. We will leave early.
Yes, dear, I'll come. You leave now, okay? Aunt. What happened, Aunt? What are you doing in the kitchen? I will serve you. Go and sit. What happened, Aunt? Pari was saying that you aren't coming. Did you feel bad about Grandpa's words?
No, dear. He's right in a way.
I'm also saying the same, Aunt. We have got such a good news after so long, and the condition is also such where... And Grandpa is really old now, and he's too worried for you. That's why you...
I understand, Neha. That's why I told Pari that I cannot come.
But what's wrong in coming? I mean, you don't dance, you just sit and enjoy there.
I will go to my room. I will eat silently there. My head is paining a bit.
What happened? Why is your head paining?
Hey, there's nothing to... that dining table is also so high. I cannot sit and eat over that.
Aunt, tell me what really happened. Won't you tell me?
Neha, I used to play Garba every year at my mother's house. I love to play Garba a lot. Then I got married. And everything changed. I cannot even speak openly. I cannot even dance without worrying. And the thing which I like the most in my life is Garba. It has gone out of my life now. And after so many years, the topic came up and I felt like playing Garba again. Why am I feeling like playing Garba so much? Maybe it will be my baby's wish. That's why I decided that whatever I haven't done after my wedding, I will do it for my baby. But see,
Aunt, you don't cry. Don't cry. Aunt, you come along with us. Nothing will happen.
hey, no, Neha, Papa won't like it. Papa has told us once not to play, then I won't play. And if I come there, then I will feel like playing again. So let it be. I will stay at home. You all can go.
Pikachu, I'm telling you something. You want to be a strong boy, right? Be a good boy. Eat it. Come on,
Brother
fast.
Pikachu, the dish is good. Eat and see.
Are you done preparing for the festival?
Yes, elder mother gave me the dania too.
Wow, very good. Are your mother and elder mother ready?
Mom is getting ready, but elder mother is not coming.
That's why she gave us these. She also told us to play a lot.
Why is the elder mother not coming?
How can she come? She has a small baby inside of her, right? A baby needs to sleep on time, and the baby gets very disturbed due to sound. And if elder mother doesn't sleep on time, then even the baby won't sleep on time. So she will have to sleep on time.
Right.
Grandpa, Aunt Mithila said that she used to play dandiya a lot in the past. She used to be awake the whole night, right?
Yes. If she had joined us, then it would be so much fun, right?
Right.
Papa, the kids are right. Mithila likes all of this very much. In fact, she starts preparing a month before festival approaches. She is very happy during these days. These guys are speaking the truth.
Mithila would have cancelled due to what I said. Bring my plate to Mithila's room, okay? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Did you serve everything?
Can I come?
Yes, Papa.
You sit,
come.
sit, don't get up. Why are you eating alone?
I wanted to eat in peace. I didn't want it to go up and down the stairs, that's why.
Sir,
Keep it, keep it. Today I will also eat here. I also didn't feel like going upstairs and downstairs. Keep it. Is it okay if I eat here?
Yes.
And anyway, when my daughter-in-law is angry on me, when I will eat alone, I will also be tensed.
No, Papa, I didn't.
It's not like that. I didn't get angry on you. I'm not arguing either. What I told you a little while back was due to my concern. The thing is that while dancing for the festival, people get lost once they start to dance. And while dancing and doing a little, if something happens, if something goes wrong, then, right. And anyway, I get very tense due to my age nowadays.
That fear is unfounded, Grandpa. Nothing as such will happen. Grandpa, it's said that a person becomes more concerned with age. It's the same with you. It's natural for you to feel concern for Aunt, but still we all are with her, isn't it? And do you feel that Aunt Mithila won't take care of herself?
No, you're right, bud. I have seen it. Once everybody starts dancing, then men and women dance without any hesitation.
Grandpa, we don't have a lady, but a mother along with us. And no one takes care of the kid like the mother. A baby will be born into our house. It should be born safely. We are taking care of all that, Grandpa. But still, one thing is very important.
Which one?
That the baby of the mother should be happy and joyful. Before her marriage, Aunt Mithila used to like the festival and dance a lot. But after her wedding, she left all that behind. But this year she has got a chance and even the topic came up, so even she felt like playing. Please let her come, Grandpa.
There is too much commotion there.
Grandpa, there is no noise at the tenement. Everything is very well organized.
And there is so much a crowd.
There is no crowd either, Grandpa. Just the tenement people. Really, and Aunt Mithila won't even dance, isn't it? Really, Grandpa. Please let her come.
If you are saying so much, then there is no issue. You will have to handle all our responsibility.
Yes, Papa.
Don't let anything happen at all.
Yes, Grandpa.
Huh? Fine.
Thank you, Neha. He was convinced due to you.
Now get ready fast. And when Pari will be found that you are also coming, then she will be very happy.
Hey, we will have lots of fun.
I'm telling once again, take care of yourself, okay? And have fun.
Neha, today I will play.
But a little.
Yes, a little.
May I come in, sir?
Shefali, please come in. Is everything okay, Shefali? Is everything fine? Is there any problem? Did the sun really rise in the east today?
Huh? Yes, sir.
No, you asked me, then came in. It's amazing, right? What are you hiding?
Sir, gift.
Gift? For me?
No, it's for Neha. It's actually a book regarding pregnancy. I mean, it's very important book, sir. I mean, it has details regarding conceiving and imparting values to your kids with chance to listen to. What to think, what not to do, what to eat, what not to eat, what to sing, what not to sing, what to hear. Everything is there in it.
Pregnancy. Wow. Thank you, Shefali.
Sir, today you leave early from office. I mean, if you leave early, then you can give this to Neha's, right? So you just please take this book along.
She still doesn't know, it seems, that there's no good news. Sure, Shefali, for sure. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Now, we'll have to think about having a baby for the sake of this pregnancy book at least. Huh?
Sir, a second chance right away?
No, not second, but first. It's the first only, Shefali. I mean, Neha is still not pregnant.
What? But sir, what about the nausea and vomiting Neha was having? She was feeling strange.
Acidity. It was acidity.
Then sir, why were you listening to the lecture which I was giving to you?
Do we have any other option once you start speaking, Shefali? Huh?
I don't.
Then,
But then, everything I spoke went waste, right? Sir, still you go home fast, please.
why? What for?
It's festival, sir. What if she wants to go out and have that holy dance?
Okay, sure.
I believe so, sorry. But sir, I just remembered something right now. Actually, I had brought this book for Aunt Mithila.
Really?
Yes, I only forgot. That's for Aunt Mithila.
Is it? But this has Neha's name on it. Neha Yashwardhan Chaudhary.
I have too much work, sir. I will leave.
Pregnancy book. Okay.
Papa? Tablets. Papa. Papa, don't you still trust me?
Seema, the thing is that once the trust is broken, then it's very difficult to build it again. Let it be.
I'm sorry, Papa. I'm extremely sorry. I was wrong. I promise you that I won't commit such a mistake again. This house and the people here are very important for me. I realized that when I was staying in the outhouse. I realized that how important you all are for me.
I understand. You used the house instead of palace. I felt good hearing that. Huh? But it will take some time to get out of the shock which you have given us. Did you call Neha and Mithila?
I had called Neha. Mithila is fine. Everyone is enjoying over there.
All right. Did you tell Neha to take care of Mithila? The thing is that once woman starts dancing, then they stop caring. Mithila's condition is a bit sensitive now.
Yes. Papa, don't worry. Our Neha is there to take care of Mithila. So, everything is nice over there. In fact, Yash is going there from office. Then everyone will come home together.
Okay, Yash and Neha both are there.
Yes,
Then there's nothing to worry about Mithila.
exactly. I'm telling you that since long back.
Always have such good thoughts.
Yes, Papa. I'm there. Tell me if you need anything.
Neha, the decoration is very good outside.
Right. And it's too fun outside.
Wait there. Hey, wait.
What happened?
No.
One moment.
Wait.
Come here. What happened, Pari?
Mom, brother Pikachu cannot do anything.
She only cannot play.
You are a liar. I said you cannot do it, right?
You are only a liar. I'm dancing.
Brother, you are beating. He is hitting me with the stick while dancing. He cannot do anything.
I am trying.
Pikachu, you are right.
But you used to go play daily, right?
What? He used to play daily? Who said that?
He said that.
Is it, Pikachu? When did you used to go?
I didn't used to go. I just lied to her.
Ah.
So you don't know to dance. Now who will be my partner?
I'm there. I will play.
Will do.
Hey,
One moment, Aunt. If you are going to play, then let's go home, okay?
no dear. I was going to show just small steps.
There is no need of that. You drink tea. You both go out and play.